RTI activist Disparsing Rani had apprised the media on the filing of the RTI related to certain government departments while seeking response on certain prevalent issues in the state of Meghalaya. Speaking to reporters at a press conference held on the 20th of June 2022, Disparsing Rani informed that no response has been received against the RTI filed by him on the 1st of April 2022 for details to the NOC issued either by the same of Himamalim or the Shillong Municipal Board to the residents of the Harijan colony or Them Maulong for availing basic amenities from the concerned authorities. To this, Rani further informed that he had filed his first appeal on the 7th of June 2022 after a period of almost 2 months of having not received any response to the RTI filed earlier by him. It may be mentioned that the first appeal described under Section 19(1) of the Act states that any person who does not receive a decision within the time specified in subsection 1 or clause A of subsection 3 of section 7 or is aggrieved by a decision of the Central Public Information Officer or State Public Information Officer, as the case may be, may within 30 days from the expiry of such period or from the receipt of such a decision prefer an appeal to such officer who is senior in rank to the Central Public Information Officer or the State Public Information Officer, as the case may be in each public authority, provided that such officer may admit the appeal after the expiry of the period of 30 days if he or she is satisfied that the appellant was prevented by a sufficient cause from filing the appeal in time.
I already sought information regarding that the position and status of the Harijan colony out there. But point number one, according to my application, RTI application, is point number one, please provide me information regarding the total number of sanction and new vacant posts. That is the different subject. New vacant posts in your office, including branch office in all districts of Meghalaya. And with reference to the Harijan colony, number 3 is please provide me information about the document that is need to be submitted before giving electricity connection to every house in Meghalaya. Number 4, please provide me the name of all the residents in Harijan colony, including the xerox copy of document required for household electricity connection, which is already submitted to your office. And number 5, please provide me xerox copy of NOC issued by Shillong Municipal Board and the scheme of Malim for household electricity connection in Harijan colony if the resident out there were not the owner of the land. That is point number. If the resident of the Harijan colony is the landowner as claimed by them that the land is given by scheme since 1853, that as per the tradition, as per our tradition, every landowner or every person should have a pata in Yudu. If the pata is given by the Malim in 1853 as claimed by the Harijan colony, that is the pata should be there. Pata should be there. Before giving the electricity, every household should be submitted land document before giving electricity connection as per the procedure of the electricity board. That is number 1. Number 2, if the Harijan colony is not the owner of that area, that means the authority belongs to the scheme or to the Shillong Municipal Board as per the agreement signed in 1954 by the scheme of Malim Joy Malik and L. Pal, Vice Chairman of Shillong Municipal Board. As per the agreement, it clearly mentioned that if any of the norm violated by the Shillong Municipal Board, the scheme have the power to take over or to take back that land. In the last 4 years, the scheme of Liam, as per the complaint lodged by the people, they try to investigate or examine the land, but surprised to see that even the police department lodged FIR against the scheme for examine on that land. That is a surprise move by the police department. in connection with the authority of the Shillong municipality, if the authority giving the NOC belong to the Shillong municipality, at least before giving electricity connection to the household, it is the authority of the Shillong municipality to keep NOC. If the land belong to the Shillong municipal board, if the land belong to the Harijan colony, Pata should be there as per our customary practice of the Kasi. Pata should be there.